Hello friends. The range of engines consists of a 2.8 CRD inline diesel 4 and 4 V6 petrols with a volume of 3.3, 3.6, 3.8, and 4.0 liters. Most often there are cars with atmospheric 3.6 and turbo diesel. Each of them has its own advantages and disadvantages. The 2.8 CRD Italian VM engine. Only the name connects it with the old 2.5 liter TD. The new generation turbo diesel received a timing belt and proved itself well in the Chrysler Voyager 4. However, its volume was then 2.5 liters. The 2.8 CRD is reliable enough, does not create problems with finding spare parts, but is too noisy. With long runs over 200 to 250,000 kilometers, malfunctions of attachments cannot be avoided, nozzles, turbocharger, etc. The CRD, working in tandem with an automatic transmission, somehow copes with a heavy van, consuming an average of 7 to 8 liters on the highway and 12 liters in the city. Gasoline 6s are equipped with an almost eternal timing chain and hardly break. Reliability comes at the cost of high fuel consumption. On the highway, the 3.8 liter V6 will need about 12 liters per 100 kilometers, and in the city, almost 20. The 3.6 liter engine is a little more economical, up to 15 liters per 100 kilometers. Gas equipment will help save on gasoline. When installing HBO, there will be a problem with installing the tank. The car is equipped with a hanging spare wheel, and a small container takes its place. The best option is to install the tank in the recess of the trunk, but then it will be impossible to fold the third row of seats. The most optimal solution is two 40-liter containers in niches for second row seats. Of course, after that, the middle row will have nowhere else to fold. All engines were combined exclusively with an automatic transmission. The machine needs regular oil changes every 60,000 kilometers. The performance of the box should be carefully checked before purchase. Over time, there are failures in the operation of the electric drive of the sliding door. The problem concerns, first of all, specimens that are idle for a long time in open parking lots. There are also malfunctions in the steering. The first Voyagers from February 1st, 2007 to December 3rd, 2008 were recalled due to leaks in the air conditioning system. Condensation entered the airbag control module and disabled the passenger's airbag. Power surges can damage electrical equipment. For example, if the battery is disconnected incorrectly, the MySig audio system fails. The chassis has an average service life, which is not surprising. The car is large and heavy. If you know of other model malfunctions, be sure to write about it.